Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying at your homes. Children, today I'm going to teach you the CVC words or sound ARR. A plus R equals to R. Do you know, children, when R comes with A, the sound will be changed. It becomes R. W says war, ARR, WAR, war. C says ARR, CAR, car. J says ARR, JAR, jar. B says ARR, BAR, bar. F says ARR, FAR, far. T says ARR, TAR, tar. Thank you.